Okay, so my niecey pooh chewed up my keys, and my trash ass baby daddy threw my keys out the window while I was pouring down raining, so it doesn't work anymore. But I'm here to show y'all how to make your car work when your key fucked up. See, normally I could start it from the inside, but it keeps saying no remote detected. So let me show y'all.
I'll show you.
So under here, you see this little key little thing right here? With my key, I have a button, so I just push the button and this pops up. Ooh, hold on, let me lock it. See, I can't get in. So you stick the key in. Like that. You gotta make sure you're pulling the handle so you can pop this out. And your key fob is revealed. Can you see? Stick that in. See? Lift it up. Stick that in. Unlock the car. You don't even mind the inside of this, but this little port right here, you have to make sure your key is turning frontwards. And you just stick it in. And boom.
And the car can't open.
Period.
That's it. I never seen it like that.
Now my car is on. My niece fine, but my baby daddy, I can't forgive him because to get a new replacement key is $450. Like, who the fuck about to pay $450 for that? But anyways, thank you for watching and see you guys soon.